Hey, do you want to level up your BLT game? Well, you want to make these chopped BLT sandwiches on the Blackstone griddle? It's going to be some good groceries, y'all. That's some good groceries. All right, so first things first, we're gonna get some thick cut bacon. Love this right brand bacon. We're gonna get that on the griddle right now. My griddle temperatures here for bacon, I like to keep it on a low temperature. And that right there helps render all that bacon fat that's in there, especially you got thick cut. Makes it just nice and tasty. All right, while our bacon's cooking over there, we're gonna head over to the cutting board here. We're gonna start prepping our lettuce and our tomatoes. I like to use a nice rugged tomato. This is a Roma tomato. I like to cut these in half and then cut that half into half and then come down vertically and then just make a nice dice for this. Then after you have all your tomatoes kind of chopped up, I like to take just a paper towel and just absorb some of the moisture that the tomatoes have. All right, now it's time for our lettuce. I'm gonna pop the core real hard down on our cutting board. And then that allows you to pull that core out. Makes it a lot easier to slice. Now I'm gonna slice it just right down the middle, and I wanna do a nice, kind of like a shred, like a medium shred. And we're gonna do that for the whole half head. We got our lettuce, got our tomatoes. Now, let's see what our bacon looks like. For our bread, we're just doing a white sub roll here, guys. Just real simple sub roll, nothing crazy. We're gonna toast these on the Blackstone as well. Just make everything just so good. All right, our bacon is done. We got it over there to our cool side of the griddle. Now we're gonna lay some butter down and get that ready for our rolls. Now we're just gonna put our rolls down onto that butter and a little bit of bacon fat. Hey, why not, right? And we just wanna get a nice toast onto that, okay, guys? And you want it to be nice and crusty. After a couple minutes on one side, you wanna flip those rolls around to the other side, and you want that side to be crispy as well. Now we're gonna take our bacon from our griddle, we'll bring it over to our cutting board. And we're just gonna run our knife through this. You just wanna make nice bite-sized pieces. A little bit for myself. Quality control's on point. We got our lettuce, we got our tomato. Now we're gonna take some mayonnaise. And the mayonnaise of choice, Duke's mayonnaise, state law, North Carolina, all right? Ample amounts of mayonnaise. And we're just gonna bring our chopper. We're just gonna start chopping a little bit here. Come in with our bacon. Oh boy. Boy, things about to get real. Woohoo, boy. Chopped bacon sandwich. That is a thing of beauty. We got lettuce and tomato on there. The bacon is salty, but we need a little bit more seasoning. We're gonna come in here with some Essentials blend. That's just gonna be like seasoning those tomatoes and that lettuce. You always gotta season that stuff, y'all. All right, we got everything mixed together. We got our bacon, lettuce, and tomato. Now, we got our nice toasty rolls. We're just gonna lay them, just nestle it right on top of there. Now, we're gonna use our little scooper. Woo, doggies. Look at that. If that ain't something special right there, I don't know what is. Dang it, boy. Hey guys, our chopped BLTs, they are done. They are beautiful. They are stuffed to the brim. Let's give them a try. Oh, man. Y'all, this is like a BLT times 10, y'all. The bacony goodness just kind of shines through. The sub roll, so crispy. We toasted it over there. The lettuce, the tomato. Now this is a sandwich, y'all. Man, I'm not believing how good this is. Y'all, I appreciate you watching. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll find other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Hussey, and that's some good groceries.